Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 538 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin has emerged from its weekend slump. MicroStrategy has bought another $15 million in Bitcoin. HIVE has announced that it has surpassed its mining capacity goal, and DigiNex's Bletchley Park Fund has posted a 35% return. Just before we get into the show, however, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis Podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So following last Friday's Crypto Corner on February 26th, Bitcoin fell into even lower dips, bottoming out at about $43,241 US. That's its lowest since February 8th, and that was just yesterday on Sunday, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Since then, however, its trading price has improved considerably to roughly $49,150 at the time of recording. Now, this rally coincides with and is being attributed to a general recovery seen in the global stock market as markets opened this morning. MicroStrategy, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MSTR, has announced that it has acquired an additional 328 Bitcoins for $15 million today. This comes less than a week after the company's announcement on February 24th, it's last Wednesday, that it had purchased approximately 19,452 Bitcoins for approximately $1.026 billion in cash at an average price of approximately $52,765 per Bitcoin. Regarding today's purchase, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor tweeted, quote, "As of March 1st, 2021, we hodl 90,859 Bitcoins acquired for $2.186 billion at an average price of $24,063 per Bitcoin." End quote. HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol HIVE, has announced that it has exceeded its updated 2021 ASIC capacity goal of 2,000 petahash per second with the purchase of 10,500 next-gen miners with an aggregate operating hash power of 711 petahash per second. This brings its total future capacity to 2,474 petahash per second, or 2.474 exahash per second. An excerpt from the press release adds, quote, "We are working daily to both upgrade our Swedish facility and expand our capacity with the acquisition of additional GPU chips to mine Ethereum. Like ASIC chips are limited supply, so are GPU chips." End quote. DigiNex Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EQOS, has reported that its flagship liquid alpha-centric fund of crypto hedge funds, called Bletchley Park Multi-Strategy Fund, or BPMSF, generated an estimated net 35% return for the last 12 months as of January 31st. According to the press release, BPMSF invests in a range of carefully selected crypto hedge fund managers with the objective of being profitable in a range of market conditions, including periods of declining cryptocurrency prices. Richard Byworth, the CEO of DigiNex, said, quote, "This is a great start for the fund's track record and a strong finish for 2020, which was a transformative year for DigiNex. Across the board, we are achieving a number of key milestones and are seeing an unprecedented level of interest as financial markets participants increasingly recognize the opportunity in digital assets." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.